Hi everyone, I'm Chef Timmy James and it's happy hour. Today I'm going to make dirty martinis, and there will be vodka martinis for you fellow vodka lovers. However, I do love gin too. But dirty martinis are one of my favorite drinks, and it's always just such a pleasure to have that, sip that before having some wine at dinner. But the important thing is what makes it dirty is the brine from the olives is actually put into the vodka. So it's basically vodka, ice, and the olive juice, which is the brine. And then you actually dress your glass up with olives. Okay, so right now we have vodka, a very nice vodka. We have our ice already in the shaker. I have the olive brine right here, precious juice, and I already have my olives pre-arranged on the plate to put inside. So, to make these, and I am going to make two, I'm going to put approximately 4 shots of vodka. Well, it's actually precisely 4 shots of vodka, which are the 1.5 ounce shots, standard shot. I'm putting those into my shaker that is already filled with ice. Okay. And then I'm just going to pour a little bit of my brine right into the mixture. Okay. And then shake it up. Okay. Alright, I have 2 really nice martini glasses here waiting for me. And my olives are waiting. And that's basically it. It's very easy to make. They are going to be delicious. You can actually use blue cheese stuffed olives, garlic stuffed olives, any other type of stuffed olives that you want to use. And you can vary the amount of the olive juice that you put in. It's basically up to you how dirty you like your martinis. Slightly dirty, filthy, whatever. But these are gonna be great. And as you can see, it looks delightful. I'm going to take a little sip. Delicious. Please take time to subscribe to my channel, leave some comments on what you think, and also give me some suggestions on what other items or cocktails you would like me to feature on my next videos. Please also share my videos on your social media pages and spread the word about me. I would really appreciate it. It's really fun doing my videos, and I want to keep that up. And in the meantime, I will be loving to cook, cooking with love, and also making some cocktails. And cheersing all of you. Cheers and salute. Cheers everybody.